Hi there, today we're going to be reviewing text features. Last time we talked, we went over captions, chart, headings, and labels. Today I added diagram. Now diagram and labels are very similar. If you look at the picture, you can see little arrows and what appears to be labels on both of them, but they're a little bit different and we'll get into that here in just a little bit. Okay, let's review. Captions. Captions are words or sentences about a picture. So here's our picture. And here's our sentence talking about the picture. So here's a planet. Saturn is the 6th planet from the sun. Saturn has many rings and rock and ice that orbit the planet. Okay? All right, here's the next one. This is just a quick review. And I will take a picture of this and put it on the slide if you want to see it up close, a little bit better, a little bit more of the details. Charts show information in a way that is easy to see and understand. Okay? So we have two different charts right here. This one shows tally marks. This one shows numbers, but they both have information data about different topics. So, what did you eat for lunch? Here are the options: sandwich, hot dog, chicken, pizza, and here are the tally marks to show how many students favored each one. And same thing with this, except for it's about ice cream. Okay? And heading. Headings tell what part of a text is about. So right here where the arrows are, it says all about fish. And last time I read the first two sentences, I'm going to start at this paragraph right here and see if it's still about fish. Instead of lungs, fish have gills. Fish can be lots of different colors. They can be all colors of the rainbow. So again, in this paragraph, it's talking about fish. So headings, like this one right here, tell you what this section or the passage that you're about to read is going to be about, okay? All right, now time for the label and diagram. Okay, what is a label? A label names what specific parts of a diagram or image are. Okay, so here is a picture, an image, all right? Right here. So what is a diagram? These are so similar. A diagram is an outline or drawing that shows how something works. So, a diagram. So here is a little microscope, okay? So it's pointing to the arm, this is pointing to the eyepiece, and to the stage, and to the base. So if you were reading a nonfiction text like maybe tigers, you might see a diagram in here that would explain a different part of